Okay, hey guys, Delayla Lowry here, and today I'm gonna be extremely vulnerable. And when I tell you extremely vulnerable,
I mean extremely vulnerable.
basically, let me just give you a little bit of a rundown. I just went through a breakup, so I'm a little bit sad, I'm a little bit depressed, and I've been going through some things. So I want to improve my life, and summertime is coming up, so we are outside on these streets twerking our bums. Before I get into all that, we need to perfect ourselves because we are looking a little sloppy, a little dirty, a little messy. I want to get my summer body, start drinking only water, have a more organized life, start posting on YouTube and TikTok more.
Daily even.
We're getting off track. What happened to New Year's resolution? Regardless, it is March. It was just January, like 2 days ago. How are we here again already? We're doing poorly. 2026 is supposed to be my year. It's supposed to be on billboards right now. Today we are cleaning up my room. Together. I started already. I quit 5 minutes in. I was like into the zone. I was like, let me deep clean. I put everything out. You know, when you deep clean, you have to take things, you got to make it messier in order for it to be clean. So it's been like this for like the past 5 days. It's making me even more insane and more crazy. I need proof that I can be a organized, clean person. It is 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. and we're about to do this because I am having that same adrenaline rush. If you guys judge me, I will block you off of my channel, and even if this gets like 3 views, we'll fucking do. Right, let's look. I'm more so talking because this is embarrassing. Oh wow. Missing drawer. Yep. All those clothes I have to fold. Trash. It's getting disgusting. I promise it doesn't look like this all the time, but when it gets real and real sad and deep in here, it does. Okay, the time is 9:18 p.m. Let's see when I am done, I guess. All right. I'm going to start on folding my freaking clothes first because that's what usually takes the longest. I don't know why I decided to do things so late. Help me, Lord. I'm gonna watch cartoons. Okay, the clothes are all folded and I'm ready to end it all. It is 9:56 because I took forever to actually get started. Now let's put the clothes away now. They're all folded and I realized I didn't fold the rest of my clothes that are actually inside my drawer, so we're just gonna like kind of shove it in.
Wow.
That took forever because I had to delete a lot of pictures for storage to continue recording. Now let's go ahead and tackle the mess behind me. My bed. Alright, task B complete. I feel like I got nothing done, if I'm gonna be completely honest. My floor is a mess. Great, amazing, I guess. It's the best we can do. Now we have this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm ready to end it all. Dirty clothes. Found a freaking dollar. Freaking love these shoes. Just fabulous. Gorgeous. Trash. I can't find the missing pairs for all three of these. That already looks so much better. Now for this. I call this the unknown pile, where I don't know where to put it. This is what it's looking like so far. My floor looks pretty atrocious, so it is currently 12 a.m. because I had to delete so much storage and I've been diddly daddling, so okay, this is not dirt, all right, this is makeup, but that's been like that even before. It's not even just makeup, like it came like that.
I just want to say that before y'all call me actually like dirty. I know y'all see my messy room.
In my floors, but like I swear, like I put that on my life. And a lot of that's just makeup because I'm brown, I'm black, so you're gonna get some brown, unfortunately. Like that's why you wipe. I just had to say that. I don't know if you can see the difference on camera. Obviously, it's not gonna be perfect. It literally needs repainted. I think that's good for now. Let's go ahead and start sweeping our floor. This is the rim so far. I did sweep it. We're going to vacuum it tomorrow and then see where it takes us. See you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, good night. And it's 1 a.m. by the way, like I'm tired.
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I'll be on my ex-strippers.